Everyone seeks motivation to navigate the journey of life. And in today's digital age, YouTube Shorts have emerged as a thriving hub for motivational content. People everywhere are hunting for those uplifting quotes on YouTube. And you know what's cool? Some smart creators are turning this demand into big bucks, making thousands of dollars. You can also start making this type of video and earn a passive money. Today I'm gonna walk you through the super simple process of creating your own motivational YouTube shorts using the power of AI. Let's dive in. In the beginning, we need some motivational quotes. For generating some motivational quotes, we will use ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT for some motivational quotes. I am asking for 10 motivational quotes and add an extra line. Every quote should have minimum 3 lines. It will help us to create longer videos. Okay, ChatGPT has generated 10 motivational quotes. In the next step, we will generate a speaker character. As our motivational speaker, I will use Leonardo AI for generating my avatar. You can use any text-to-image generator. I am giving prompts such as an old wise man looking at the viewer, white beard and hair, an ancient book in his hand. Leonardo has generated 4 avatars for us. And I love this one. I will use this avatar as my motivational speaker. So I am downloading this image. After generating your avatar, we will make a sample video with Canva. Log into your Canva account and select the video from the homepage, and then select the mobile video because it's the perfect ratio for our short video. After coming to the creator page, upload your AI-generated avatar image, and then insert the avatar into Canvas and adjust the size. Now increase the video length. I will suggest making it upper than 20 seconds and lower than 30 seconds. After all is set, download the sample video. In the next step, we will create a voiceover with an AI. If you are able to record your own voice, then it will be great. Otherwise, you can take the help of AI. This time I will take the help of AI, and for voice generation I will use Jenny by Lovio AI. After creating an account, delete all of the previous voice blocks. And then go to ChatGPT again and copy the first quotes. Now come back to Jenny and paste the quotes on Janini's text blocks. Do it again and copy all of the quotes and paste them into Jenny. After doing these, change your voice model. As our avatar is looking old, so I will choose in male mature voice. After changing the voice model, click on the Select All checkbox and then hit the Generate icon. Jenny will take some time for generating the voiceovers. After completing the process, download every block's audio separately. It's obviously a paid service. That's the reason I was recommended for using your own voice, and no high-quality AI voice generator is available for free. Alright, our avatar and voiceover is now ready. Now it's time for giving life to our avatar. For doing this, I will use a free AI tool, Wave Tool Lip. I will put all the tools links in the description. I will run this tool in Google Colab. After coming to Google Colab Notebook, click on Connect button to start your runtime. After establishing the connection, click on the Step 1 Setup Wave 2 Lip Run button. It will take around 1 minute for processing. After completing it, scroll down the page. Here is YouTube Lip Sync. Avoid this and scroll down again and find Lip Sync your video file. Do not change anything, just hit the Run button. Now upload your sample video footage. After uploading the sample video, come to Step 3 and hit the Run button. Now upload your first audio file. After completing the audio upload, come to step number 4. Don't change anything, just hit the Run button. Now this AI tool will analyze our video and audio file and will create lip sync. This process will take some time. Let's skip this part. Okay, our video is now ready. Embrace failure as a stepping stone towards your goals. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow and come back stronger than before. For downloading the final product, click on the 3-dot menu and select Download, and the video will save on your device. Now for generating the second quote, go to step number 3, which means the audio section. Hit the Run button again. Now upload the second audio file, and then hit the Run button of step number 4. Do it again and again with your all audio file. I will suggest do not use one avatar more than 10 times because YouTube may detect it as reused content. So generate more characters for creating more videos. Alright, I have generated 2 videos. Now we can upload these videos on YouTube and it could be a great source of passive income. Alright, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of YouTube video creation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.